So here I have this Yamaha piano, and when it's plugged in, if you hit the power button, it doesn't turn on here. So there's 3 screws at the back, and then after you have them, you can pull this. Just read about this transformer. There's this metal covering here underneath that. There's a fuse here. You can check to see if that fuse is good, and then also check the power that's going to your transformer here. So I'll be testing that. If you push the power button from here, you should get 125 volts AC, and that's what I'm getting, so that's fine. Means that voltage is getting transformer. Now we have to follow the transformer leads. So in here we have some fuses. Fuses are all good. So I've taken out the power supply board. Basically this gives you the voltage you have. Your transformer comes into here, and then it goes to a rectifier. Okay, so you have AC, hot and neutral here, and then you have this rectifying voltage, and there was a heat sink on this, so you can remove it. These fuses are good. So it's probably something to do with this circuit board. Could be a loose connection because it's intermittent, so could be these kind of fuse heads. You see they're kind of wiggly. So disconnect these fuses, just wiggle them around, and you can pinch the holders together. The caps look good. You can test the capacitors. Usually the heads bulge if they weren't good, and that could be also intermittent power. This is basically the amplifier. You know, it could be like a chip that is going bad there. The relay, I hear it working. If all else fails, you could order a new board. This is a Yamaha XQ778, but what I'm going to do is I will just resolder on the back here some of these joints, and hopefully that will fix the problem. Okay, now we're going to reconnect the circuitry here. And before we do that, I'll just put a little bit more thermal paste on our ICs here. It could be because these guys are getting too hot. I'm using CPU thermal paste. Okay, now it's ready to be put back and we'll see how it works now.